Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add events to your Google Calendar. So Gemini Live creates a Google Calendar entry with all the event details and syncs it across your Google account. So let me show you how to do this on your Samsung Galaxy device. So here we'll go ahead and open up Gemini first. Next, we'll go ahead and open up Gemini Live. And here we'll go ahead and ask it to create me an event to Google Calendar. Please create me an event in my Google Calendar for tea with my grandma on Monday at 9 a.m.
I've created an event for tea with your grandma on Monday, August 18th at 9 a.m.
So I can go ahead and look at this calendar event. So as you can see, it has created me an event, tea with my grandma on Monday, 9 a.m. So this is perfect for work events, shared calendars, so your colleagues can see updates instantly without you having to send manual invites. So there you go guys, that is how to add events to Google Calendar using Gemini Live.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.